VO1IV standing by. Yeah, okay, Jeff, that's excellent. VO1 GME, VO1 India Victor at AAA. Your P25 went through the repeater, but it did not get past through the analog side and did not open anyone's receivers. That's great. Thanks for the test, Jeff. A good test. VO1 Golf Mike Echo, VO1 India Victor. I heard your P25 on the local received, but it was not passed through the analog side of the repeater. So that's great.
Okay, yeah, good. I'm glad it got through because I didn't get anything back from you, so that's what I was concerned.
No, it was all good. I don't have AAA P25 in this handheld. My cable was supposed to show up yesterday, but of course the people at Intellicom can't get out of a vehicle to deliver a package, so I didn't get it. So I might get your cable off you later on today to put it in mine, then we can give it another test, certainly. But this seems to be good. I'm just checking the metering again to make sure we're all still fine, and I'm going to reset back to 70 watts and button it up for the day.
Sounds good, sir. Perfect. Yeah, I got to run out there for a little while, but just give me a shout if you're planning on coming this way, and we get that done. And if not, I'm sure you'll see that show up on Monday. Great work, sir. Thanks again for all your input, and any of the lads that helped you out there on AAA. And we'll say 7-3s for now, and we'll check with you later.
Okay, 73, and we'll be chatting later for sure. VO1 Golf Mike Echo, VO1 India Victor. Now resetting AAA to its final settings.
Thank you.
VO1IV, VO1AAA on AAA.
Go ahead, Dwayne.
Just curious, Aaron, what are you running up there for a setup anyway? What do you got on the go up there?
Yeah, Dwayne, the repeater is a Motorola Quantar 125 watt repeater here. We have the exciter goes into the final of the PA, that's tuned to 125. We have it stepped back to about 70 now, just for a little bit of headroom certainly, never hurt. The duplexers are Sinclair 4-cavity duplexers that's notched out and everything else, and the antenna is a folded bay matched with the coax stub up on the roof there, kind of aiming about pretty much aiming northwestish.
Okay, that's good. Sounds good. I was just curious. Here's why. Was that the same setup that was always there?
Yes, USL. There was always the Quantar up there. However, the antenna that was up there before, the original folded bay, wasn't working. It was, just corroded away. So I was up last night till 1:45 this morning putting together this folded bay, matching it all up, and it seems to be working great. We have 1.1 to 1, 70 forward, and nothing reflected.
Perfect. Sounds good, buddy. Awesome. Okay, no, I was just curious. I didn't know if it was the same repeater that was always there, or if it was fresh install. Just curious. That's all.
Oh, very good. Yeah, I'm just configuring all that's all squared away. I'm just going to save this config, and I'm going to get on out of here. So that's it. So I'm going to need both hands for a few minutes. VO1AAB, VO1IV, clear of AAA.
No worries, bud. Yeah, I was just curious. All right, good job.